One of our programs, Professional Diploma in Digital Marketing, it's a 360-degree, zero theory, advanced program. And, I would just like to share something. I hate theory myself. And I structured the program in a way that it is completely customized based on the audience sitting in the room. So if I have more of real estate professionals, or if I have e-commerce professionals, or if I have somebody from retail industry, all my examples, all my content will be completely customized on those industries. So, if you're in the room with multiple diverse audience, you will learn about multiple industries and you will understand at the end of the day, it is the same consumer who is exposed to multiple advertisements. How do the other brands think, and what are the right ways of putting across your own communication and creating more content? So in Professional Diploma in Digital Marketing, we cover majorly 5 modules. Number 1, Google Ads. It includes Google Search, Google Display Network, YouTube, how to advertise your mobile application, how to advertise your shopping content if you have an e-commerce. I will demonstrate everything step by step. We together would create our advertising accounts on Google. You will learn all the tips and tricks which I have learned in the last 15 years working with hundreds of clients, from the small budget to a mega budget like Dubai Expo 2020. The second major module will be social media marketing. It has 3 major components. Number 1, the content strategy. What kind of content would work, how to create that content, what will be the strategies behind that content. Number 2, how to advertise, because at the end of the day, what you want is how can I reach to my audience through social media platforms. Number 3 is the reporting. How to analyze the reports, how to read the reports to make sure do more of what is working and stop what is not working. In short, the optimization. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that you go to some website, let's say you go to a retail website for a fashion brand, see the products, do not buy. After some time, when you go to your Instagram account, you see the same advertisement from the same brand again and again. The concept of remarketing, that is super powerful. This is programmed. How to do it? After the session, you will be a master. You will be able to do it yourself. My third module is website optimization. Creating a website is a project. You can create your website on your own. You can outsource it. That's one simple part. But optimizing your website so that it comes on the higher position on Google search is a full-fledged process. Once you are on the first page of Google, you will see immense traffic flowing on your website. How this is done? I make it very simple for you all to understand as marketeers of how you can make your team or how you can make your agency work on search engine optimization. So the fourth module is Google Analytics. We stitch all the platforms together in Google Analytics to figure out where am I getting the traffic from, which traffic is converting, which audience is best, what is the insight and interest and behavior about that audience. So I will share some of the case studies from different brands and we will analyze their data in the room and we will use our insights and understanding on how we can interpret that data, use it for our future campaigns. The fifth major module is digital strategy. That is a power module. Be ready to open up your brain, to be ready to think aloud in a complete digital strategy, 360-degree strategy of how the entire campaigns are stitched together. What is the right budget? How much money do you have to spend on a click? Which all platforms should you be using? What is the return on investment? What is the ROAS? What is the return on advertising spend that you can generate and out of the entire marketing budget? This session is super interesting and super needed for all of you in the room. So join the program. Let me know what your career objectives are. And I guarantee that you will love the sessions.